Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we will learn how to find the Wi-Fi password that you're connected to on your Windows 11. So first you need to go to the settings, come here, right click and then select settings. It will load the settings. After that you need to go to the network and internet section. After you go there, select the Wi-Fi. And now you will be able to see the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Left click here. And then you'll see this option called Wi-Fi network password. Click this show button and you will be able to see the password of your internet. Uh, you can also use a phone to scan to connect. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to like the video. Thanks a lot.